I would tell you guys, if you haven't been to TEMU, go to TEMU because the pricing is affordable as AF, okay? And I was able to find everything on there. Literally everything. Everything that I typed in, I was able to find, and it was a wide selection. What does you can see that? So this is, I'm very interested just to see if I can even get in this, because this I did order, and it's a sweat sauna suit to go underneath like your stuff and you work out in. And I got the largest. Oh my goodness, y'all ain't about to tell me nothing. I got the largest size they had, right? Because I know I have big arms, big titties, big girl, big everything. So it goes under your bra, under everything. Pretty much this is how it would look. Weird underneath your workout shirt. Oh, ooh, girl, already I was like, well, I'm getting moist. Wear it under all those things and go work out. If you're going in the sauna, put it on and go work out. Let me change the angle of the camera. Yeah. So put it on top. Go run. Go work out. I'm gonna be wearing mine for sure when I run. Sports bra, this, and biking tights. Cause usually I'm always wrapping with like Abilene plastic and what else? Oh, and then I'll put like a wrap around or like a little corset on top. This just becomes so much more a fit. Like, so from a runner's perspective, usually when I put on a corset or something or a wrap band and I go run and I go work out, it always starts to roll down at the top. Even if it stays in place, it's doing all this part and it's not doing the top. With this, even though it's not to snatch you in, it's a sweatsuit, so it's hitting all the areas I need. Because if anything, I want my whole back done, I want my whole stomach done, I want my arms done, I want to leave my breasts, my hips, and my ass. I ain't trying to lose none of that. You know, it could go down and get smaller, but I want to keep all that. So this for me hits me in all the right places. Okay, so I like it, and it's cute, it's sexy, it's comfortable. I feel like I could work out in this and I wouldn't be uncomfortable. It wouldn't be so tight that I'm like uncomfortably trying to pull it off of me or adjust it, or I can go running and it's not going to shift, move. That's how I feel. Now, I won't know until I go run to let y'all know like what it does, but just even the basic construction of it, I don't think that's going to happen. Okay, y'all, I ordered these socks. I swear I paid less than $1 for them, right? I got 1, 2, I'm turning the right way, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair. They are so cute, so comfy. Y'all saw when I tried them on, like, boom. I love this. Like, I think I'm a fan, TEMU. I think I'm a fan. Facts. Yeah, I'm a fan. I won't lie, I was very skeptical about just because I was like, who is this? What is this? But yeah. Lord, I've been getting calls from family all day. Hello. It's the fact that I really am pleased with the items that I got. So this right here, let's see how bright it gets. It's right here to put in my computer. Like, so I got this like because if I'm vlogging or if I want to read a book or I just need to see something. Bae is so, I need the light because I have an astigmatism, but he is so like anti-light at nighttime. You know, I don't know. So this one, oh wow, y'all, that's bright. Okay, I am not selling y'all a dream. This is bright, and keep in mind I'm under a whole nother light and everything else in here, but this is bright. So their TEMU package came today and it's sitting over there. I was like, well, how's she getting all this stuff? She doing collabs? Tony was like, nope. Y'all, look, and it's a big. You see how it speaks for itself. I don't know how I'm about to do this because all these all the way. So I got Harper a large. He really could have gone with a medium, I think. But sometimes I didn't know if it was small or big. So I ordered him a pet harness for when we walk him. Right. Let's see. Over the head. Let's see how it fits. And of course, I got it in blue. Yeah. Leave him alone, Augie. Oh, I'm actually glad I went with a large because Harper is gaining a little weight. A little weight smidget. Let's see. And guess what? I can adjust it on his fur. Move, Augie. Looks like it fits him comfortably. Move, Augie. Oh my goodness. Move. Is it too tight, Heart? No? Fit good? Oh, I think I have it upside down. That's the ish. That's the ish, because this is the part that goes to the top, Mama. There we go. This is my bottom foot. This goes around my other bottom foot. Okay, y'all. Harper is exactly 10 pounds, and I got him a large. I would definitely probably say if your dog is pretty furry, let's see, Harp, stand up, to definitely get, let me show you. It's a little loose on him. Tighten it up. Move. Alright, so that's as tight as it'll go on him. But that's, I guess, perfect. It came with a little leash, which I would hook his own leash to it, but if you don't have a leash, it definitely comes with one. Oh, sorry, Heart. I think it works perfectly. I really think he could have gotten by with the medium. Yep, just a little. Because we got it as tight as it'll go. But I think that's perfect. Yep. Because he's not going nowhere. He ain't trying to pull nothing to go nowhere. So, I definitely believe, like, people always ask, like, how do I get my hair to grow? How do I get my hair to grow? Massaging your scalp, stimulating your scalp. And you can do these things with a boar bristle brush, your hand, just about anything, right? But I got this to show y'all, like, if you just feel the need and you want something, these are like scalp scratchers, right? So I got this because when you're watching TV, y'all, while your show is going, maybe if you don't want to do it for that long, do it every commercial, because it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Really, it's just 5, but I would say you can go 5 to 10 minutes massaging your scalp, and this is going to stimulate hair growth, y'all. And this is facts. This is proven. This is not a gimmick. This is not anything. So this is just another way to do it, and do it, you know, easily. Well, this is not heavy, overly heavy. You're not doing a comb, so it's not irritating your scalp. Literally, look. Literally, is you can do it. So that's why I got this one, just so, like, that's what I'm using it for. Hell, but I look like I'm using it for everything else too. I don't know. Okay, no, that didn't work. So I got 2 of these. I don't know why I wound up with 2, but that's fine. I'm very appreciative. This one's blue. Matter of fact, y'all know blue is my favorite color. Dark, my birthstone. But I'm here for it. And then these, another thing I wanted to show y'all, like, for hair. So the stuff, I have to go back and check, because I thought I had ordered like some skincare or maybe like some perfumes and stuff too, but maybe not. So these are the only ones I'm a little worried about, because they don't look like how I thought they were going to look. So let's see. Oh no, here we go. Alright. So originally it looks like this. You just got to take, maybe, I think that took me probably 4 or 5 seconds. So y'all, these are cuffs that you put over your ears. I use ear cuffing for a lot of different things as a stylist, but these were so, I think I paid 10 cents. I don't know, I gotta go back and look. But these are for when you're shampooing. So say like your baby, you put her over the counter like most people at home do, or even yourself, you're in the shower, you don't want, or you're bending over the sink and you really don't want water in your ears. That's what this is for. Look. And I mean, it's got a tight grip. So it's nothing, it's constructed all the way around. Well, I just pushed it back, but around my ear. So water is, I guess, water shouldn't get in. Let me not say water is not, because I haven't tried it out yet. But that's what it's for. It's going to keep the water out of your ears when you are shampooing your hair. If you, just protect your ears. If you're coloring your hair, whatever. This is what this is for. And I thought that would be really two things that should be really, really neat for you guys to look into. Yes. So all the links for all this stuff, y'all, will be down below in this video. And it'll take you directly there. Use my code and all that good stuff, okay? Now this shirt is a little big on me. I could have sized down, but I kind of like the oversized because it gave me the option to kind of tuck it. I think I have a clip that I can insert when I first got it and how I just put it on. But yeah, because I'm here in this Texas weather, it's so funny. It's kind of like somewhat chilly because it's raining, but then it's not. So I just threw on this shirt today with my shorts because I'm in the house, and I was still cute. Yes. So, but if you wanted to see, it's pretty long. I would most likely, I would pair this with some leather pants. Let me show you. I threw it on with a pair of leather pants. I have several. I could have done rouge. I could have did like a jogger. I have several types of black leather. So I just kept it simple and did this one. I did not style the shirt. I'm just showing it in its original form. I would typically crop this shirt, like tie it up or something like that, and leave the sleeves longer, kind of like how y'all just saw. And then I brought shoe options, right? So if you wanted to do a sandal, I have a patent leather, and then I have like a matte shoe. So it's really just up to you. I absolutely, the only thing I think is because it's a little too big on me, because it's supposed to be like a plunged neckline. So that part gets a little, because if you guys look here, the collar is not a fold down collar, right? So that's the only thing. I think I would have to tack it in some type of way, rouge it in the middle or something, or bring it up. But even if I twisted it and just tucked it under, y'all, this is still like really cute to go out in, to have just to like a cute little casual date, lunch date, just anything like that, right? A jumpsuit, jogging suit. I think that's what it is. Girl, I don't know if they know I got hips. So for me, the color, I think it's okay. I normally wouldn't get a, oh, it's kind of big. Hold on, it's super stretchy. Oh, it's gonna be too big. I don't know how it's supposed to fit, but it's definitely, but I mean, it's very comfy. Something I would say size down in, because look, I was worried about my hips. So I ordered this in green or in blue. They didn't have it in green and blue, so they sent me like this little burnt orange color. Well, she look cute though. All right, so okay, so aesthetically, I absolutely love it. Did I lose a string? So I accidentally pulled the string. I'll have to safety pin that and then pull it. Oh no, I didn't. It's right here. Okay, so you could tuck it up a little bit more if you want it with the hood. Gotta have your hair down though. It'll look a mess. Y'all, this is actually okay, TEMU. Okay, TEMU. Y'all like this? It's got pockets. Super comfy. Definitely can size down for sure, but like, I don't have no complaints. This, I feel like, would it be in this size if I wanted to wear it to something casual, like one of the kids' games or something like that, I could, and wouldn't be too, whatever. Dressing this up, I definitely see it. You can quarter length the sleeves a little bit, right? Just like this. Pop on a heel. I would actually layer it. I would probably put like some type of little blouse or like something in like a blouse, like a shell or a blouse underneath. Um, I mean, if you want to go that route, you can just unzip it down some. But I think this is really cute little lounge wear, athletic wear. Maybe not athletic wear, but lounge wear. I know my kids, like, I was like, who's Temu? My kids had to break it down to me because they were already on Temu. Like, Robin was getting points for Temu, and with her points, she was able to gain free things, you know, just by referring or whatever. I'm really not sure on her point system, so don't get me talking to y'all. But like I said, all my stuff I'm going to put here for you guys, and you guys can view it and see it. But in the meantime, yes, I absolutely love it. Like, seriously. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.